on the stage. I never thought that it would be so hurting to leave
because my heart is too full. This school is never just
every night.
And for the cricket winners, Jonah, who participated in under 17 category at Paparao Stadium, Jonah first place of under 14 and second place for under 17. I like to call M. Shantan, Harshit Reddy, Deep Tanush, Vishwasandar, and G. Ajay Anand. Sister Daisy. I'd like to call onto the dais.
There, that boy is.
The Delta groundskeeper.
This boy.
Which were held at Jalgaon, Maharashtra.
Of your 2026 and 27 sports winners of champions, where we are going CISE national, regionals and zone participations. First of all, congratulations to everyone, all winners. Kabaddi regional first place goes to Kiranmai Pandey. Please come forward. Please, Sister Radhika. Now next, regional selector for Kiranmai Kho and Kabaddi. Team Vaishnavi selected for regional in Kho. That Kho. Kiranmai. Next regional selected boys under 17 Y Bhargava, G Bhargava Tej, R Jayavardhan and D Ashish Siddharth. Y Bhargava. You selected in regionals. It's St. Joseph Habsagura in Hyderabad. Both regional and Joe. J. Bhargava Teja, regional, national and zone. 3. Congratulations, Bhargava. Ashish, D. Ashish Siddharth. Y Bhargava, G Bhargava Tej, R Jayavardhan, D Ashish Siddharth, R Radha Krishna, G Arshit Reddy. For Kho 55 zone levels. Please come forward and take your. Jayavardhan, please have it.
जीप में आया
Jayavardhan. Total volleyball boys Deep Tanush. Deep Tanush, Ashti, and Nikhil, Ashish. Volleyball team, please come forward. And Jayavardhan, regional actor.
Good afternoon. Firstly, I would like to thank our school faculty for giving me a one last chance to speak on the stage. I never thought that this would be so hurting to leave this school, a place with endless memories and a place which taught us many things. I have been a part of this family since 11 years, and in this 11 years of journey, I have learned many things that changed my life and made me a better person. I gained the confidence to debate, to speak on several topics, and to dance flawlessly. I wonder if our school had not given us these opportunities, would I ever be able to become a better person that I am today? Thank you for giving all these opportunities and making me a better person. Firstly, I would like to thank our class teacher, that is Padmini teacher. The amount of effort she put into our success is immeasurable. Thank you for going an extra mile and sacrificing things for us so that we can reach our full potential. Sheetal teacher, thank you for making history just more than dates. Thank you for your endless support and guidance. Radhika teacher, just like you teach us, you don't just teach us about the world, but help us navigate our own challenges. Whenever I felt like I was losing myself and I lost faith in myself, you know exactly how to pull me up again. Gunjan teacher, you made learning Hindi very sweet and feel like home. Thank you for your endless support. Alika teacher, thank you for breaking the laws of traditional teaching and being a true friend to us, which was needed. Shravanti teacher, just like the nature you teach us about, you handle every storm and every difficult question with incredible patience. Pavitra teacher, your aura and brilliance is unmatched. You have your perfect chemistry with all the students. Sister Arogya, while you may be strict, but we know that this strictness is because you want a performance and our understanding to be nothing but a piece of masterpiece. Next, coming up to Sister Daisy, your constant smile and patience makes even the toughest challenge feel like a breeze. We are so lucky to have a leader who is as supportive as she is wise. And I would like to specially thank Ramadevi teacher for endlessly supporting me. She made my most hated sport my most loved one. Without her support and faith, without her support, I would be nothing. I would not be able to become a better player in Kabaddi that I am today. She believed in me in the times when I lost faith in myself. I never believed in myself that I would lose around 8 kgs of weight within a month and participate in the CIS's Zonal Kabaddi competition. But she made it happen, which was the turning point of my life. There's a song in Hindi which goes like, जब प्यार हुआ इस पिंजरे से तुम कहने लगे आजाद रहो, हम कैसे भुलाएं प्यार तेरा तुम अपनी जुबान से ये ना कहो. We all are in the exact same position. Once we all thought that school was a prison to us once, until we discovered that it is the best and happiest place ever. Earlier we wanted to leave this place as soon as possible, but now we want few more moments to create little more memories. I thank the school for making me a tough person who has confidence in almost all fields possible. I just hope we never forget each other, we love each other, be happy, be healthy, and become successful in our lives. Thank you very much.
Because my heart is too full. This school is never just a place. This school is never just a place for studies. It was our home. And you teachers never just teachers. You are our second parents. You scolded us when we are wrong and cared for us when we are silent and believed in us even when we do not believe in ourselves. We may not said it before, but today we wanted to say with all our heart, thanks for loving us like your own children. And my friends, how do I say goodbye to people who became my happiness? From small laughs,
Thanks to all the teachers. You played really an important role in shaping me what I am today. Padmini teacher, thank you for handling our nuisance in the very first period. Kunjan teacher, you are the calmest teacher in any calamity. You've not only taught us Hindi, but you've taught us to be patient in every situation possible. Anita teacher, you've calmed my nerves in every... These words feel too small. We are not just living a building. We are leaving a part of a childhood behind. These walls have seen us cry, laugh, grow, learn and dream. Now talking about our compassionate and lovely teacher. Padmini teacher, you taught us that every problem has a solution. Even after the
procrastinated. Lazy.
బయట వచ్చినప్పుడు చేస్తావా
Tony.
బయట అప్పుడు చేస్తావు
The unstoppable spirit. The unstoppable spirit. Direct. The peaceful mind. The peaceful mind.
సాయి రిత్విక్ అదే
Ajay.
సాయి రిత్విక్ क्या चश्मा पहन के
The silent observer. The silent observer. Abhishek. The undercover naughty. Undercover naughty. Arjun. The warrior spirit. Warrior spirit. Prishu.
नॉटी ऑलवेज
The
नॉटी
charming star.
नॉटी रहता हूँ ऑलवेज
Vicky. The powerhouse. Powerhouse. Shantanu.
पावर हाउस
The silent player. Silent. Juas. The modern personality. The modern personality. Jayavardhan. The silent scholar. The silent scholar. Yuva Samrat. The dynamic force. The dynamic force. Ashrit. The learning warrior. Learning warrior.
The helping techie, Abhinav. Mr. Serious,
Stay serious. Who?
Rishindra. The trauma specialist. Trauma specialist. Right.
Thank you.
Pride, confidence, and presence come together as the boys take the stage for the wrap up. Each participant brings forward his unique personality, making the segment exciting and engaging.
It is the celebration of a journey that began with the small steps, tiny steps, small fingers, curious mind, and innocent smile. And now stands at the threshold of a new dream, bigger responsibilities, and endless possibilities.
Pin.
Dear students, especially boys, each one of you is a story of growth.
All the seniors and boys, please don't sit. Without token number, we will not be finished.
आगे क्या गई पेपर है नहीं ना जूनियर टीम डांस डांस